I just wanted to go over a quick presentation for you on how just to simply log in to Google Drive, just in case you're ever at home or working on your own and you just forgot how to do it. It's really simple, but I'm here to walk you through it. The first thing you want to do is you're going to open up your internet and go to Google search. In the search bar, you're just going to type in Google Drive. Google Drive is where all of your documents that you've been working on have been saved. Okay, so after you hit enter for your search, all your results will come up. Okay, and you'll see here it says cloud storage, Google Drive, but then it's got different options. What you want to pick is Drive. Then you're going to have to log in. Now, if you've already logged in on your device, it should save your information to where you can just click on it. Okay. If you haven't been on that device, you can hit use another account, or it'll just come up asking for your email address and password. The email address you want to use is your Gmail account. Okay, and that's all it takes to get into Google Drive. Once you log in, it's going to take you to your home screen. This is where you can find any document that you've been working on. If you need to go back and finish it, you'll just click on it. Or if you need to start something new, you'll hit new right there. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please let me know.